Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 26th of July 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 25th and 26th of July 2021. Our first question is, which of the following institute has recently developed a first of its kind oxygen rationing device called AMLEX? Answer is option number 4, IIT Ropar, or the Indian Institute of Technology Ropar has recently developed a first of its kind oxygen rationing device called AMLEX to save the oxygen which otherwise get wasted unnecessarily and in turn increase the life of medical oxygen cylinders threefold. This device will supply a required volume of oxygen to the patient during inhalation and will trip when the patient exhales carbon dioxide. So answer will be option number 4. Next, Sandesh Jingan is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, football. Look into image. This is Sandesh Jingan. He is an Indian professional footballer and he is in news recently because recently he has been awarded by AIFF, that is All India Football Federation, with the Men's Player of the Year 2020-21. So answer will be option number 1, football. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the president of NHAI? Answer is option number 4, Armane Giridhar. Armane Giridhar has been recently appointed as the president of NHAI. Long form of NHAI is National Highways Authority of India, and the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Secretary Armane Giridhar has been recently given the additional charge of the chairman of NHAI, that is National Highways Authority of India. Present NHAI chairman Sukhbir Singh Sandhu has been appointed as the new secretary of Uttarakhand. He took over the NHAI chairman in October 2019. Now Armane Giridhar has been appointed as the president of NHAI. NHAI long form is the National Highways Authority of India. It is an autonomous agency of the Government of India set up in 1995 and is responsible for management of a network of over 50,000 kilometers of national highways out of 1,32,499 kilometers in India. It is a nodal agency of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next, the Indian Navy has signed a memorandum of understanding, that is MOU, with which of the following bank for salary account of all its personnel, both serving and retired? Answer is option number 2, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Recently, the Indian Navy has signed a MOU with Kotak Mahindra Bank for salary account of all its personnel, both serving and retired. The bank will reportedly offer special salary account benefits to the Indian Navy like enhanced complementary personal accident insurance cover, special education benefit for children, and additional girl-child benefits, and attractive rates and zero processing fees on personal loans, home loans and car loans. So answer will be option number 2, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank is an Indian banking and financial services company. It was founded in 2003. Its headquarters is located in Mumbai, and currently Uday Kotak is the MD and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next, DRDO has recently conducted the second consecutive successful test of the new variant of the Akash NG missile. Akash NG is a dash missile. Answer is option number 4, surface to air missile. Akash is a short range surface to air missile system designed and developed by the DRDO for use of armed forces for the protection of vulnerable areas and vulnerable points from adversary air attacks, and the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, has recently conducted the second consecutive successful test of the new variant of the Akash surface to air missile, that is Akash NG or new generation missile. So answer will be option number 4, surface to air missile. DRDO, long form of DRDO is Defense Research and Development Organization. It was founded in 1958. Headquarters is located in Mumbai, and currently Dr. G. Satish Reddy is the chairman of DRDO. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as National Broadcasting Day in India? Answer is option number 3, 23rd July. 23rd July in India is celebrated as National Broadcasting Day. It is celebrated every year to make people aware of the importance of radio. Radio has been an important part of the lives of people in India, and on this day in the year 19 1927, the broadcast of radio started from Bombay station for the first time in the country under a private company called Indian Broadcasting Company of India, or IBC. That's the reason every year 23rd July is celebrated as National Broadcasting Day in India. Next, Mirabai Chanu is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 3, weightlifting. Look at the image. This is Mirabai Chanu. She is an Indian weightlifter and she has recently won the silver medal at 2020 Tokyo Olympic in women's 49 kilogram category, securing India's first medal of the games. So answer will be option number 3, weightlifting. And this Mirabai Chanu was also awarded in 2018 with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and Padma Shri Award. Next, which of the following country has recently successfully tested a new Zircon hypersonic cruise missile? Answer is option number 2, Russia. Recently, Russia has fired its Zircon hypersonic cruise missile, a new addition to the arsenal of weapons. The Zircon missile successfully hit target directly at the range of over 350 kilometers. So answer will be option number 2, Russia. Looking back, this is Russia. Its capital is Moscow. President is Vladimir Putin and currency is Russian ruble. Next, Samir Banerjee, who is in news recently, is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 3, tennis. Look at the image. This is Samir Banerjee. He is an Indian origin American tennis player and he has recently won the Wimbledon men's junior title 2021. That's the reason he is seen in news recently. So answer will be option number 3, Samir Banerjee is associated with tennis. Next, ICC has recently included Mongolia, Switzerland and Dash as its new member countries at the ICC's 78th annual general meeting. Answer is option number 1, Tajikistan. The International Cricket Council, or ICC, has recently included Mongolia, Switzerland and Tajikistan as its new member countries at the ICC's 70th annual general meeting. Mongolia and Tajikistan from Asia region are now the 22nd and 23rd member countries of the ICC respectively, and the Switzerland from Europe is the 35th member country of the ICC. Now there are total 106 member countries including 94 associates of ICC. So answer will be option number 1, Tajikistan. Next, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by ADB? What is ADB? Long form is Asian Development Bank. It is a regional development bank established on 19th of December 1966. Headquarters is located in Manila and currently Matsugo Asukawa is the president of ADB. And recently this ADB has predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year will be 10%. So answer will be option number 2, 10%. Next, DRDO has recently flight tested indigenously developed low-weight MPA-TGM missile. The first M in the MPA-TGM is stand for dash. Answer is option number 3, man. In a major boost towards Atmanirbhar Bharat and strengthening of Indian Army, Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, has successfully flight tested indigenously developed low-weight fire and forget man-portable anti-tank guided missile, that is MPA-TGM, on July 21st, 2021. So long form of MPA-TGM is man-portable anti-tank guided missile, and this missile was launched from a man-portable launcher integrated with thermal sight, and the target was mimicking a tank. The missile hit the target in direct attack mode and destroyed it with precision. So answer will be option number 3, First M in MPA-TGM stand for man. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, who among the following has recently become the first Indian sports person to have been granted the golden visa by United Arab Emirates? Answer is option number 3, Sania Mirza. Next, which is the official theme song of India in the Olympic 2020, which is set to begin in Tokyo, Japan from July 23rd to August 8, 2021? Answer is option number 3, Lakshya Tera Samne Hai. The Taliban is a military organization of which of the following country? Answer is option number 4, Afghanistan. Nagma Malik has been recently appointed as the new ambassador of India to which country? Answer is option number 3, Poland. Kadambini Ganguly is known as the first female Indian doctor 18 July 2021 has been recently celebrated as her dash birth anniversary. Answer is option number 2, 1/16th. Who among the following has recently become the fastest batsman to score 14 ODI centuries in terms of innings? Answer is option number 4, Babar Azam. Mukhyamantri Kisan Mitra Urja Yojana is related to which of the following state? Answer is option number 3, Rajasthan. The largest floating solar panel in the world has been recently opened in dash. It has been recently opened in Singapore. Option number 4. Who is the author of the book titled India versus China, Why They Are Not Friends? Answer is option number 3, Kanti Bajpayee. Which of the following day is celebrated as International Chess Day annually? Answer is option number 3, 20th July.